Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video from Cardano News Today. Today in this video we bring you the latest Cardano updates, price updates, and tell you why the Cardano has the potential to reach staggering heights. But before we do, make sure to stay with us until the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos like this. Let's begin. We're seeing a lot of bearish vibe out there about Cardano. We saw all the bullish stuff leading to the smart contracts launch. Now what they're saying is, smart contracts have launched, no one's using them, no one's building on Cardano, there's no D-apps, there's no game, there's no DeFi. This is going to be a narrative that you continue to hear for many months to come up, even when the ecosystem is filled up. Now, why? Well, if we look back to Ethereum, when Ethereum launched smart contracts, really the first usage of their smart contracts in the beginning were for launching other tokens on Ethereum. Down the road, we started getting D-apps and games, which eventually led us to DeFi and NFTs, and now no one can deny the size of the Ethereum ecosystem. Well, with Cardano, we heard for years, they're not ever going to build anything. Well, now they fulfilled all the major milestones on the roadmap that brought us to where the ecosystem can actually be full and things can be created on Cardano, so now the FUD has changed. Remember how they moved the goalposts? At first it was nothing is being built. They just continue to move the goalposts when it comes to Cardano. Bitboy said, I believe Crypto Jeb says he believes the price of Cardano is actually going to be $4 by the end of October, so we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see which one gets to $4 first, XRP or Cardano. It'll be an interesting race to watch. I do believe we're about to see a lot of price action for Cardano coming very soon as we head into traffic. There's now going to be a Cardano stablecoin backed by gold launched on the platform. This is put together by DeFi platform Meld and Tingo, which is actually the largest mobile provider in Africa, believe it or not. Now, here's something else interesting about that we're seeing mobile providers start playing a role in Cardano. We already saw the partnership with Boost Mobile that was launched, or that was announced during the Cardano conference a couple weeks ago. Now, this is big for Cardano. Now, what is this connectivity going to be used for? He also stated, I'm sure there's digital identification verification coming through Cardano and mobile providers, which can be some interesting stuff. I've always said I think eventually our identities will be locked to our phones, so that's going to be really interesting. It can keep underage kids from getting into websites they shouldn't be able to get into, or going places on the internet they shouldn't be, have no business on. I think that could be something of a use case that we could be seeing with Cardano and these mobile providers in the future. But this also gives us a blueprint. A gold-backed stablecoin. Now, there are some already. You have Pax, you have Tether Gold, you have Bitcoin Gold. That may not be a gold-backed stablecoin, actually, but we're starting to see these gold stablecoins come out. This can provide us a roadmap for the future of crypto. He also said, I've always said I don't believe that Bitcoin will be the world reserve currency. But could we possibly see stablecoins backed by Bitcoin becoming the reserve currency? So this could be a roadmap for the future of crypto and how it plays into the world economy. So we'll have to continue to monitor this and see how it works. But guys, you think Meld and Tingo, the largest provider of mobility in Africa, you think they're betting on a loser? You think Boost Mobile's betting on a loser? Absolutely not. He further stated, Cardano's going to be huge. Don't listen to the FUD. They're lying to you about Cardano. Let's check out the price action and see what happens this month. Now, let's move on to some recent updates on Cardano. Major updates. The Cardano ADA blockchain has been thinking about presenting a proof of burn (POB) system to its ecosystem. Proposed via Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, the POB will be delivered by the Lagon decentralized cloud services platform. Invented by Ian Stewart in 2012, POB is an alternative consensus algorithm with a few applications. In proof-of-work (POW) blockchains, burning chops down energy consumption by lessening the amount of mining energy required. Additionally, the system permits miners to burn virtual currencies in return for mining advantages or the blockchain's native currency, for this situation ADA. Furthermore, as Lagon notes in its blog, the burning instrument might be utilized as a proof of commitment in blockchain protocols. To burn coins, miners need to send them to an evidently unspendable address, otherwise called a black hole address. Tokens in this address can never be recovered. Resultantly, ADA tokens become scant, deflationary pressure, boosting their value. Other token burning techniques, for example, Ethereum's EIP 1559, burn a portion of the transaction fees, all things being equal. Strikingly, the POB solution has come in light of analysis coordinating to Cardano for its immense supply of ADA tokens. As per given data, the network has its token supply capped at 45 billion, with more than 32 billion tokens right now in circulation. A few individuals from its community are likewise worried about developing competition from rival networks Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain BSC. The previous, as of late, presented a deflationary component through the EIP 1559. Likewise, Binance Coin as of late held its 17th token burning, eliminating 1 million BNB tokens or $639 from the supply. Hoskinson noted after the observations were made that it's time for the Cardano community to deal with hostile recommendations. Lagon's protocol came up as the most ideal decision for Cardano because of its censorship-proof abilities applied on all client wallets. The platform solution essentially zeroes out the chance of miners contradicting ADA token burning. Cardano's POB application was intended to be launched after the completion of the Alonzo series, which occurred on September 12th. Hoskinson noted that the new application would connect new developers of the Cardano ecosystem and be ideal for them. The tech entrepreneur even offered the best engineer a reward as an NFT. Prior on, Hoskinson was firmly opposed to a token burning component for the Cardano network. As CNF reported, Hoskinson said token burning was inseparable from getting somebody's wife or siphoning gas out of others' vehicles for your own. Irate with the suggestion, he said it would just help those hoping to make some additional cash, then at that point continue on to something different and more advertised. In addition, crypto capital venture founder Dan Gambardello has been strong of Cardano ADA in his new tweets. Simply, last week, Gambardello said that Cardano ADA would explode once more. Presently, the Cardano bull tweeted more help for his most loved crypto asset. In spite of the fact that he didn't say that it will definitely occur, Gambardello mentioned that it's feasible for Cardano to reach $10 in the end. On the other hand, on-chain, social, and fundamental bits of knowledge site Santiment tweeted that there are many long positions on ADA in the Binance trade. They likewise added that the development is more prominent than expected. In the interim, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, likewise as of late, addressed the crypto community to give updates on the Cardano project. As per Hoskinson, a large portion of the concerns that he sees are on the subject of adaptability. He said that the forthcoming PAB launch will deal with this. Hoskinson additionally communicated that he had a great time seeing the ecosystem alive and dynamic. He mentioned that he's lowered by the way that demand for Cardano continues to develop. Finally, he expressed gratitude toward the community for its continued help. Moreover, as the altcoin market starts developing again and funding rates are increasing, Cardano traders and investors start to open all the more long positions, as per data given by Santiment. To follow the traders' interest in cryptocurrencies, Santiment tracks funding rates on the Binance trade. With increased derivatives funding, traders may anticipate that elevated volatility due should the increasing number of leveraged positions. A more leveraged market may help the value action during an uptrend. The principal downside of raised volatility on the market is the absence of strong support zones that, for all intents and purposes, have no time to shape even with the quickly rising cost. In the last month, the normal week-by-week volatility on ADA has been staying around 8%, while in post-smart contract announcement phase, the normal volatility has stayed around 20%. Since current market sentiment for ADA remains neutral, an increase in volatility may prompt both positive and adverse outcomes. However, as per the data from Binance, there are more longs being opened than shorts. With additional longs funded and the absence of selling pressure, the cost of the asset may rise further. As of now, only 61% of ADA holders stay in profit, which indicates that 40% of all holders have opened their positions at a greater expense. On-chain data also suggests that really selling pressure may show up on the market once the value comes to close on the previous ATH. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such updates on cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.